How to change PIN on Google Pay. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your PIN on Google Pay. So let's go. The first step is for you to open your device and then go ahead to launch the Google Wallet or Google Pay account. So once the application has been launched, um, your settings might be different from mine depending on your location. Okay, this is because Google Wallet has not fully been exhibited in my location currently. But for you, if you are in a more privileged situation or position location, sorry, your own page might be different from mine. So take note of that. So once you've launched the Google Pay application, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. Then in the menu that is displayed, the next step is for you to click on your payments methods. All right. So under your payments methods page, you will see all of the payments methods that you've added already. For me, I've not added any. That's why it's displaying this page. But for you, you will see all of the payments methods that you've added already. And the next step will be for you to select payments method that you want to change its PIN. So after select your payment method, you'll be taken to the payment methods page. And then on that page, select privacy and security. Data select privacy and security. Tap on forgot PIN, then follow the instructions to set a new PIN. And then a new PIN will be set for that particular payment method on your Google Pay application. So it's that simple. So find your way to your profile photo on the page, ensure you select the payment method or privacy and security, depending on what you can see there. Then once you select the payment method, select the payment method whose PIN you would like to change, go to the privacy and securities page, then go ahead to change the PIN. So that is it. Thank you everyone and have a good day.